In today's video, I'm going to show you how I dry detangle with the Behairful brush. Now, I normally don't dry detangle. This is something new for me, but it's working really well instead of detangling in the shower, and I'm going to share why that's the case and show you exactly how I dry detangle. Hi, I'm Delilah from the Holistic Enchilada, and on my channel, I share tips, tricks, and resources to help you embrace your curls and keep things simple. You can follow me on social media at Holistic Enchilada or head over to my blog, holisticenchilada.com, for lots more free resources. Also, go ahead and subscribe to my channel now for more tips and tricks for your curly hair. To dry detangle, I'm gonna use the Behairful brush. I've hated all of the brushes, and this one works really well. So this brush has boar bristles and nylon bristles. These are really scratchy, so I recommend that you keep this away from your scalp. This is why I don't recommend it for wet detangling. Although some people say they use it for wet detangling, I can't see how. My hair needs to be washed today. I was gonna wash it last night, but I just left it so that I could record this video. I've been using this to detangle my daughter's hair, and it works really well. So I'm just gonna start from the ends. I always grab down here and squeeze really hard, and then I just brush down. This is scratching my arm in both directions, and as you can see, it pulls the hair, creates a lot of tension, so it detangles really well. Now I'm gonna separate my hair. I don't have a lot of hair, so I don't have to do big sections, but look at that. This whole thing is pretty much done. And I just brush until I don't feel any more of the tangles. And normally I do have a lot of tangles. I don't get a lot near my scalp. I get most of them in the length of my hair. I know some people tangle in the scalp area, but I do not. So this works really well for me, and as well for my daughter. All right, so that's it. This whole side is detangled already. And now when I wash my hair, I don't have to spend 5 minutes finger detangling with the conditioner because it's already done. It's very painless. Like, I can hear it moving the tangles out, but I don't feel it. I feel like a little bit of tightness, I guess, because it's pulling the hair, but it's really not painful at all. I mean, I don't know how. This is quite shocking. It's not, I don't see any breakage. I haven't noticed any breakage from this. My hair's pretty strong though. It's not, even though it's fine, it's not very fragile. If you had really fragile hair that's breakage, I would not recommend that you use a brush at all. Stay away from a brush until your hair stops breaking easily. When it's stronger, then this is a fantastic dry detangling brush. Look at that tension. All right, y'all. This is my hair brushed out. Notice how flat my roots are. People always ask about volume in the roots. Yeah, I get lift on wash day and the next day, but it definitely goes flat, and you can see how flat my hair. I'm not pulling on it, I'm just covering it. It's really flat. I don't have a lot of hair. It's really thin. It's very fine. All right, so that's how I dry detangle before I shower, and like I said, it just cuts down on the time spent detangling in the shower. It's easier than using my fingers. I just got this brush, so I just started doing this. I never used to dry detangle before because it was very painful. My hair would break, and it took a really long time, but this is a total game changer. So I do recommend it for dry detangling. I do not recommend it if your hair is prone to breakage. Get that in order before you start using a hairbrush. I also strongly recommend it for styling, and I'm going to share my styling video using this brush next week. I do have an affiliate coupon code for this. It is HE10, and I believe it saves you 10%. If you used this brush before, let me know. Let me know in the comments if you liked it, if it worked, didn't work, how you use it. I'm gonna share my styling tutorial, which is super simple, very soon. But I've tried a couple different techniques, and I just like to keep things simple. I don't like the really complicated ones that just take too long and involve too many steps. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.